This is too easy. It's too easy. They need to crank up the... What's up, YouTube? I don't know. It feels kind of weird to say my channel name, but I guess Astral here with another video. How are you guys doing? I finally figured out how to video or screen record and use a microphone. And all it took was a simple Google search. Now ain't that something? Ain't that something? It's great. It's great. I don't gotta go back into editing and talk over. Today we got something called CatBird. I looked up a YouTube video and I asked best mobile games of this year. Thank goodness there are some. So until I get that PC so I could play different games other than mobile, we're gonna go along and try and play these, see how they are. So let's get started. Okay. Let's see what this is about. Level 1. Okay. This makes sense. Okay. Simple. And okay. Oh, I got this. I immediately got this. I'm a genius. This game will not stop me. Oh! It's alright. It's all good. It's all good. Nothing happened. I'm chilling. And I got the crown. Boom! As easy as that. Okay. I see. Those are pressure plates at the bottom, I think. Perhaps not. We'll see. They're definitely not. What was the purpose of that? Was it to waste my time? Am I supposed to get this? Okay. I just wasted my time doing that. Okay. First day. But we're not gonna count it because it basically didn't happen. Now I'm gonna fly through. Oh, I see. Okay. Yep, I'm a genius. This is too easy. It's too easy. They need to crank up the difficulty. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's not happening. At all. Okay. Oh my god. Go faster. Okay. No! Oh. I was supposed to go there. Okay, never mind. I thought I messed up, but it's all good. Okay, well, I clearly missed a bunch over there. A bunch. So, that's not good. Oh yeah, this game's too easy. It's too easy. How do I go down? Oh, I just go down. Oh my gosh. Okay. An ad. Great. Fantastic. This don't look interesting. Get off of my screen! Oh my gosh. And then they got a timer. Okay. Okay, there we go. Back to the action. Jump. Do all this because I'm too good at the game. 1, 2. Boom. All the way down. Simple. Simple. I'm too good. And what is that white stuff? Is it like milk? Milk. That makes sense. I'm a cat with wings. That makes sense. Easy. Too easy. I don't know who I am. That's why. First try and everything. Yep. And my phone's almost dead. But it's all good. It's all good. Okay. Don't mind the death counter. Don't mind. It's all good. It's all good. Nothing happened. We're gonna act like I didn't die 3 times. 3? 2? I think it was 2. Anyways, it's fine. It's fine. It's all good. We're okay. 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 Okay, yep. It's all good. It's all good now. Oh, whoops. Oh! Okay, yeah, I'm not going for that. Oh my gosh. I'm not going for that. I'm not going for the crown. I'm not going for... I gotta go for the crown. What am I talking about? I just gotta time it right is all. What do I look like not getting the crown? A not pro gamer. That's what I look like. This is what I do. This is who I am. A pro gamer. Look at this, look at that. Boom. Yes, sir. Okay, now this should be a piece of pie. Boom, boom. As easy as that. Barely even any skill. Go. Okay, that was a little close. That was a little close for my taste. Simple. Oh, simple. Okay. Okay. Simple. I don't know why I'm allergic to milk either. Shouldn't I, like, live trying to get it? Or getting into it? I'd assume it'd be like blood for a bat. But I'm a cat, so it's like that, but milk. If that makes sense. Checkpoint. That means this thing's gonna be long as heck. Okay. Boom. 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 I see. The game is too easy for me. It's too easy. It's way too easy. Okay. Too easy. Boom. Okay. I think I'm gonna call it quits right there. Just wanted to test out the microphone with the screen recording, and it seems like it's worked pretty good. I hope I don't stop recording and find out it didn't record at all. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.